If you love God, kung mahal mo si Lord, at patuloy kang lumalakad sa nais ng Diyos sa buhay mo, mahal mo si Lord, taas sa kamay. Mahal mo si Lord, nagtitiwala ka sa Kanya, and you live His purpose. Kapatid, even sa pinaka-worst na pwedeng mangyari sa buhay mo, God will turn it for good. If we trust Him, if we believe in Him, if we put our faith in Him. Lord, hindi ko maintindihan. Hindi ko gusto to, Panginoon. Masyadong masakit. But Lord, I'm gonna trust You. Dahil mapagmahal kang Diyos at mabuti kang Diyos sa kabila ng lahat ng ito in all seasons. Church, God is the same God that we serve even when things are good in our life. And God is still the same God that we serve even things get bad in our lives. God is still that same God that we serve. Hindi po siya nagbabago.